Hello, welcome to a new video, guys. This is a view from Castle to the Barcelona port. Down there is the Barcelona port. Yeah, that's it. This is the one I'm talking about. So look at the view, it's really beautiful. Castle is so high up on the mountain, and from here you can see the part of city view. It's clean, clear, and look at the ocean. Wow, the view is really nice from here. And look at what it is. This is a war. War. This is part of war. It's like very old type of gun to protect the castle. They use it. This is now it's all is dust inside the garbage. Hmm. Let's go up to the castle. Wow. Yeah, this can be round, like change the face which way you want to make it. So it's like that. Okay, let's go up. Let's go up to the castle. Show you from the castle. It's just over here. Let's walk to the castle. Couple of points from here will be. Okay, there's one more nice view from. Let me cover it first before we go inside the castle. Yeah, I've seen a lot of guns standing here. One was at the entrance, one is that one, and one is here, and one in the corner. This is the gun I'm talking about. Yeah, it's like covering from every corner. Protect castle from the warriors. Yeah, and even castle looks huge. Oh, it has another point. Let me see what's there. Wow, this is aloe vera. Over here I found aloe vera. It's a lot of aloe vera. Aloe vera has a flowers. This looks cool. Beautiful. Wow. Yes, one of the point can sit here and chill. It's amazing. The view from here is really nice, and can see all the things down there. Whole port can be seen from here. Yo, it's beautiful. Look at around. Yeah, look at it. Beauty. This is the port over there. Alright, let's go to the other point. Still the same location, but it's a different point. From here you can see the nice view of beach and port of Barcelona. This is castle, one corner for the castle. There's a gun behind me. Okay, let me show you around. Wow. That's the aeroplane is going to the airport. The airport It's nearby from here. It's not so far. Okay, one more is behind there. And look at the port. It's beautiful port. It's quite big. The nice thing, it's really sunny, clear, crystal clear. It's beautiful. Very nice view from here. Yeah, it looks so nice and really big. It's really huge. You can see from any side. It's really big. The nice thing, they have maintained the garden around it. It's almost like every corner around the castle there's a garden, and it still is very good maintenance. I see a lot of people working there taking care of it. This is really good. Even this side there is also its garden, and that's the point from coming in. Okay. And here is the detail about castle. It's written in Spanish and entrance, journal, ticket, timing and everything. Alright guys, let me check how to go inside. Is it free or there needs, because I have one ticket, I'm not sure if it's included in here, so let me clear it, then continue the next video.